Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about how to get an overdraft with ASB Bank in New Zealand. So it's actually pretty straightforward and you can apply either online or at a branch in just a few minutes. Alright, so first, an overdraft is basically a backup line of credit that's connected to your everyday account. So it lets you spend a little more than what's in your account up to a set limit. You only pay interest on the amount you actually use, which is super handy for short-term cash flow. So to get started, simply make sure you're eligible. You need to be at least 18 years old, a New Zealand resident, and have a regular income coming in. ASB will also look at your credit history just like they would for any other kind of loan. Next, you then have to check whether you actually have the right account type. So overdrafts usually go with an ASB Streamline or similar everyday account. So once that's sorted, you can also apply by calling ASB on the number that I'm going to show on screen, or you can also visit a nearest branch. A team member will then walk you through the quick application and help you set up your overdraft limit. You also need to provide some basic information like your ID, proof of income, and a few financial details, so they can confirm that you can actually afford the credit. And after that, if you're approved, ASB will then attach the overdraft to your account, and you'll be good to go. You can also use it whenever you need, and as you pay it back, the limit resets. And that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.